Let's dive into division. 100 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready to divide 100 by 2? Let's start with the first digit. We look at the first digit of 100, which is 1. Since 1 is smaller than 2, we can't divide it yet. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0 in the quotient. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. We're just getting started. 1 minus 0 is 1. We're on the right track. Great job so far, you're doing awesome. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Keep up the great work. Time for the next step. We've got a 1 and a 0, making 10. We bring down the next digit, 0, next to our remainder 1. Now we have 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? It's 5 times. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Perfect. Subtract 10 from 10. What do we get? 0. Woohoo, you're doing fantastic. Almost there. We've used all the digits in 100. Our quotient is 50 and the remainder is 0. We did it. So, 100 divided by 2 equals 50. We just crushed long division by dividing 100 by 2. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled step by step. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division pro in no time. Great job, everyone. Keep exploring and learning with Let's Stud. See you next time.